Manufacturers face key challenges: a lack of real-time insights, no single source of truth, and inefficiencies caused by manual processes. What if you could transform your manufacturing data into real-time, actionable insights that drive sustainable growth and profitability? Yokogawa offers you a one-stop solution for clear and actionable insights. Transforming businesses from insight to foresight, OpreX Intelligent Manufacturing Hub is the AI-generated platform for your innovation. OpreX Intelligent Manufacturing Hub connects seamlessly to various data sources, offering a unified view of your operations. With real-time insights and forward-looking plans, managers can efficiently compare current and past performance to optimize strategies. Customize dashboards, reports, and automate workflows with our low-code, no-code workflow designer. Unlock creativity and scalability for your operations. Yokogawa's OpreX Intelligent Manufacturing Hub is more than just technology. With our expertise in developing business intelligence dashboards powered by integrated IT/OT, Yokogawa will be by your side to unlock the full potential of your manufacturing operations and achieve your organizational goals. Join forces with us to leapfrog change. Reach out now and discover more.